Reach for this exam.
Uba, they read nothing they enter head at all. So I carry my own body, they enter the hall. I don't want your story at all.
Yeah, but you have fun now.
If they ask me, I don't tell you fast.
Yeah, you read. I don't read anything, nothing they enter. As I did and I don't set pass. You guys play along. We go use Mbo. But you guys cooperate. We reach there. I could bring out the answer. Make everybody just play along. Make everybody bring out what they get to. We work together.
Yes.
That's do more for the exam to pass. May nobody hide the only time reach.
That's the only way.
They tell them when Femi last
hide
semester.
well.
No, cover your book.
We go work together and agree.
You know me, na me, I know they do like
Forget
that.
that thing.
now.
You won't carry first for university.
Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Your exams are starting today. You guys should not cooperate. Don't cooperate in this exam hall. You only cooperate in class, not in the exam hall. And I want to advise you to start with the questions you know. And I don't want to see you with any materials that will implicate you. Once you don't know, leave it. Everybody must not pass. Some of you will remain here. So that is it. Your time starts now. Agriba, I'll be back. Let me go and get you that stuff. Be very careful. Oh. These students are tricky. Please don't move around. Please, come. Start. I told you not to move around now. You know your condition. You are blind. Please, I believe you guys are done by now. Please show your papers, please. Don't move around. Start it, please. Please submit. The one that does collect this paper should go to the hospital. Give me now.
You don't know why it's going on.
Don't move around.